Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue if you can't change your TikTok phone number on Android. This problem could happen due to a glitch in the app or an issue with your phone system. Let's go through the simple fixes to resolve it. But before anything, make sure to turn off any active VPN on your phone. A VPN will most definitely stop you from changing your phone number, so after making sure of that, let's move on to the advanced solutions. Solution 1. If the problem is with the bug in your app, clearing its cache and data should help. Go to your app gallery or home screen, tap and hold down to the TikTok app. Then tap on the I button or app info. This will take you to your TikTok settings. Search for the option storage from here. Once found, tap on it. Now tap on clear cache and then tap clear data. Tap on delete to confirm the action. Remember that this will delete everything inside your TikTok app and completely reset it. But after the reset, your problem should be fixed. Now clearing the app data can sometimes remove app permissions. So you should go back to app info and tap on permissions. In here, make sure to give your TikTok app all the permissions. Permissions are needed for your app to function properly. After you're done with it, check your issue. Solution 2. Log out and back into TikTok. Relogging can fix account-related issues causing the problem. So open your TikTok app, go to the profile section in the bottom right, tap the 3 line in the top right corner, and select Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap Logout. Tap Logout again to confirm it. After that, simply log back into your account with your credentials. Once you have logged back, try changing your number again. Solution 3. Reset network settings. A clear-cut reset in your network can solve many issues. Open your phone settings. Find options like additional settings or general management. Once you have found it, tap on it. Scroll down and tap reset. Now scroll down again. If you use mobile data for TikTok, tap on reset mobile network settings. If you use Wi-Fi, tap on Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap Reset Settings. This will reset your network and hopefully fix the problem. So that's how you fix it if you're unable to change your phone number on TikTok. If you're still having trouble, feel free to drop a comment and I'll do my best to help. Thanks so much for watching.